Nancy picked up all of them.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta say though, I've been on air with Nancy before where she's had her phone and she's picked up things. I have to say, this is the first time.
This is a record.
This is a mega Nancy shopping show.
This is a mega Nancy shopping. I just bought everything in the show item. 9-row rolling ring. I bought the two-tone. I pre-bought this. Sizes 4 through 11. I wear size 6. 18-karat gold-plated ultra-fine. Did I not lie? Like, I'm not kidding.
No, you really did.
Yeah.
The phone has been busy.
Because I love these pieces.
They're
like,
great.
It's seriously my first show that I literally said every single thing is like my style, hashtag Fancy Nancy style. This reminds me of the C, starts with this cut. Special ring.
Yep.
The two-tone, that's what I got. Here is the yellow gold. There's only 4 dozen left in the yellow. And then we also have the two-tone, that's what I got. 100 left, you better hurry, people.
Better run.
And then we also have the ultra-fine, 150 sizes 4 through 11. All right, talk to me, girl.
So, like Nancy said, the rolling ring really was popularized by a very expensive French fashion house. I won't go into things.
It starts with a C, that's all.
And, you know, they're thousands of dollars. So a lot of people...
It was like $3,000 to $4,000.
Yeah, they're very expensive. Yeah. But here's what you want. When you get a rolling ring, on a lot of different fashion companies or, you know, brands have tried to do the rolling ring. When it comes down to it here, you don't have, you know, 3, you don't have 6, you have 9 separate bands.
Look at this.
So let me tell you, to be able to do that with a rolling ring is very difficult. It has to be like liquid fabric.
Look at this.
To have these, you know, assembled by hand by artisans in a really small workshop in Tuscany is so special. You put this on.
It's like 9 different rings, by the way.
It is.
Yeah. Can you show them, like, take it off? Yeah.
Yeah. So
the factory, yep.
So the factory actually, you know, the artisans will have to work and will have to take every single one of these separate bands.
This is 9 rings.
9 rings all intertwined, and especially with the two-tone, you really get a lot of that versatility in the color.
Okay, I got the two-tone already. All right, here we go. All right.
When you're putting it on, this is where you're seeing the difference.
Listen, two-tone is my favorite. Sizes 4 through 11, silver, tritone, and two-tone, and yellow.
And
okay, can we have